Number one, people have to dig the background of the judge. I mean, we talk about Toinette Olivier. She's a former student from FD Malan, DF Malan War School in Pretoria. You check the history of that school and the students that are coming there. And you check her affiliation. She's a member of Solidarity. She's a member of AfriForum. Fortunately enough, we were able to get some information to some of the members of the AfriForum who were able to send them some of the most important information.
And just when it comes to his co-accused as well, his former bodyguard, we saw that he got acquitted today. With this case continuing for Mr. Malema himself, would that completely exclude now the bodyguard, the former bodyguard?
He is the minute the magistrate declared him not guilty, at that stage, he was even entitled to stand up and leave. But he opted to stay. You'll remember the magistrate said he is excusing him as well as his legal counsel. But I think courtesy and protocol dictates that you wait until there is final pronouncement on the entire proceedings. So we are unlikely to see him in court. If he does go to court, it will be to pledge solidarity and support to his protege, and he will be sitting not in the dock, but he will be sitting somewhere in the gallery. But what I also find very interesting is the reasoning of the magistrate, in my view, and with respect. I am battling to understand on what basis she would have acquitted the bodyguard who admittedly, on the evidence before her, which he has admitted, is the one who handed Mr. Malema this firearm, whether a toy or real. And then Mr. Malema.
Good day, South Africans. Today we are going to be looking at the case of EFF leader Sello Julius Malema, the case of the firearm discharge. I would like to say it is up to the young people to go out and only focus on the issue of to saying, no, Sello Julius Malema has fired a weapon, etc., etc. You will be missing the point altogether. In the way or the other, something had to happen that will have to help you to see exactly who is who. So you'll have to accept it has to happen. As a result, you have to go out and look into who is who. And you have already seen where one comrade is my leader, Kobani Nzongana, the leader of Land Party, that the magistrate is a member of Solidarity and a member of AfriForum. As a result, she is biased. And secondly, how can the owner of the gun not being found guilty? Where did Julius Malema get the gun to fire? There will be ways that will come and show you some of bigger things. And the South Africans will want you to focus only on Julius Malema has fired a weapon. That is not what is a context for the good of you. If you're going to focus on that, you are going to fail to get the bigger picture. Something had to happen, possibly to make you young people to pay more attention, to see and open up and see the enemy is busy and preparing for anything. And many of the people that are talking now are grown-up people that doesn't even know how a tear gas feel like. Please be careful. They don't know how tear gas feel like. It will be wrong for you to think that all the people have taken a part in the old time struggle. Some of the people that are even in ANC, they have never even pointed a gun to an enemy. Not shooting, just pointing. So you must never come and allow the people who have never been in part of anything. When the hippo or whatever, there's a march, they used to run away and hide under the bed. But now everybody is talking. This is your time. This is your future. And if you are not going to defend the important people and then allow yourself to be misguided, you are going to fall apart on your own future. It is your high time to focus and try to see exactly who is with you and who is not. Those very same people, how many of those people outside your political party, EFF, that will even stand up when the other people are like black people that were fed to the pigs? None of them. The recent one in Kronstadt, did any of the black people stand up and do that? No. They will only be talking now, but they will be doing nothing in defense of black people. Why? Because nobody is doing anything outside. The man called Silo Julius Malema was even taken to court for slaughtering a cow that everybody is slaughtering. A cow. And recently we heard the court said, no, there's no grounds to charge the man for slaughtering a cow. So you cannot spend time listening to the people that are there doing nothing. Even on the load shedding shutdown, which affect them, they did not. So there's never a time that the people stand up and protect any interest. And the enemy knows who is the person to deal with. Don't think these people that are talking so loud, they will stand up, do any other thing. They will do nothing, those people. None of them will ever call a single name of a white person that is doing something wrong. Nothing. And those people today that are trying to say they want humanity, everything, they are known for taking the lives of thousands of black people. Where did they know about loving peace and everything against a man that only shoot a gun that has never even injured anyone at the stadium? But how many, just go and check, how many of black people have lost lives in their hands and they are still alive, those people? What do they know about peace? No. Black people, when they were stayaways, they even used to have to be some drink their own fish oil, the soap and everything during a stay away. The same black people. Then not all black people have supported a fight for democracy. Why will you expect it now? The black people, they have been impimpies against the fight for democracy. It's just that today there is not things like, at that time there were not cameras or anything. You would see that they will still be saying a lot of things against Nelson Mandela, Oliver Tambo, and others, like they're doing now. So focus on what you're doing and stop worrying about what the people are saying. Not all the people. Some black people even thinks and believe that only a white person can rule them correctly. Focus on your mission. Stay strong. Thank you.